Hi, good morning to all. I'm Taranga, permanent staff member in IBM. So today I would like to share some my favorite tips about visual presentation. So we'll look about first what is visual presentation. The visual presentation is the communication through visual elements. Then what is the visual elements? Visual elements are colors, line, shape, textures, form and space. At the same time, you want to understand PowerPoint is just the tool can use to make presentation and to design. Let's move to my first message. Rule can be broken, but never ignored. This I'm sharing especially when you are making a design. People are using different rules, but some rules can outdate. So example, in 1950s, 60s, we are using symmetrical. Symmetrical means well-balanced design. But today more people are not using symmetrical. They feel symmetrical is boring. But at some time I have seen 1%, 2% people are using symmetrical, but it's based on some special purpose. But today more actually like to use a symmetrical design. That asymmetrical design are create energy, clarity for the design work. Therefore, just my message. I'm actually sharing some tips, but one day these tips will outdate. My actually tips: have a concept. If there is no message, no story, no useful experience you are given to the audience, it's not good presentation. It's not good visual presentation. Basic elements, colors. How about your audience? How actually colors I can use for this? Think about your audience and make a plan. What is the color and what is the images? What are the chart and main messages and sub messages you should want to emphasize it? Let's see some example how designers are using design element effectively in the concept. This is the advertisement, but I'm just not talking about the advertisement. I'm just talking about how the designer are using shape, line, colors to present some message. The left brain and right brain in the human are functioning different. The presenters, those who actually are given this, are looking about basic line, basic shapes in left side. You can see the black and white structural line, architecture, chessboard are arranged in the left side. Then you can understand what actually left brain in the visual form. So when it goes to the right side, it's having colorful rhythm, pattern, natural lines. Those actually are present. How about the right brain? So same like that, when you are making a presentation, do this kind of experiment when you present your ideas to the audience. So we'll move to the second point. The second point, I'm just actually like this point. More actually designer, they try to decorate. They communicate, don't decorate. No matter how simple or abstract in your design, the design should want to be meaningful to the audience. So therefore, when you're making a presentation, never try to fill up with points, pictures and text. Try to communicate only the main message to the audience, then they will understand it. So when you are actually using some advertisement, this is WWF Wildlife Foundation actually are using different advertising campaign every year. They are not using that much of text, so these actually are not using any single text. But when you just look in this actually leopard can understand the fear or the feeling about the hard feeling about your heart. So that's how feeling we can make using visual form. Try to do little experiment by doing this type of presentation, by using some this type of picture in your presentation can give little actually a support for the audience to go into some feeling also. At the same time, this is also deforestation. You don't need to tell any single word, can understand visually what actually the message is. Third, my point, speak with one visual voice. So when you actually design the PowerPoint presentation from the first slide to the last slide, think about from big picture to the small picture. That should want to be each harmony to each other. That's actually mean, does everything, check this, you better check, does everything is relate harmony to everything else. So otherwise, I have seen some company are actually using different strategies. Some within 6 months they are changing the advertising campaigns. See some example. This actually I take examples. So branding agency, when they are making a design, especially material, they identify what is actually corporate color, what is the contrast color, what should want to be the background, where should want to place this logo in the left side or the right side, where we want to put other detail. So therefore, I just actually communicate this simply. So in presentation, from the first slide to the last slide, try to maintain some standard elements. Elements means colors, positions, line, shapes, and the space and all. So that's actually a key point. At the same time, that really help to keep attention audience to your presentation. At the same time, can keep the audience feeling continuously until end of your presentation work. We'll see another point. The negative space, actually the space we actually are having special actually attention are getting it. It's example. When you are actually making good space, you can bring attention to the content easily. At the same time, the last one I just mentioned, give the eye a resting place. When you actually making some confused environment, especially the negative lack of negative space, it's actually, I'm sure, confuse audience. So this is actually a good point. I'm just actually sharing it, not to criticize anything. So look about this advertisement, just actually a white background and using gray color actually text and graphic, then are really easy to read what is actually the key message and the logo and the symbols. So another actually good point, I'm just sharing some special rules also under this. The line is actually a path of dot through space. Line can carry a different message or meaning, feelings to the audience. The line can also in a different way. With my example, when we're just looking this picture, we're having two white lines. It's a natural line is actually in the same way. When you are looking this picture, I'm sure you start reading from right side bottom. Then gradually your attention is goes to the left side and the object what place in the beach. So understand the same like you, the audience are reading the same way. At the same time, I'm sharing this picture just to give a little advice. When you are using this type of wide visuals and picture in your presentation, always use when you are starting the presentation. Never use this one in the middle part and then the audience is actually then going to the dreaming line. Can use as a tricks your presentation. At the same time, in this moment, I'd like to talking about a little bit about rule. This actually we call rule of third. Rule of third means we are dividing horizontally and the vertical space into equal 3 parts. So when you divide into the 3 parts, you can identify the 4 middle intersection. When you are placing object or the graphic or the main message, in that point are really easy to take attention. A contrasting is a great actually a point. A contrast is used actually and create a sustained visual interest. When you are using high contrast, can get more attention to your visual. At the same time, if you're having low contrast, so that actually a message can understand in this way also. A great contrast create energy and clarity, but too much contrast, it will be confused. Example, when you are placing more pictures in your presentation, it actually means too much contrast. So at the same time, low contrast, it's create peaceful. When we are actually going to the religion, when we are wearing white and some are wearing black, contrast can see in a different way. It's one actually a color contrast. In this advertisement can understand the both side and color contrast. It's not only that, a text contrast we can make in the presentation. Then the color actually having mood and emotions. Use color on purpose. Never just use the color. Identify, do a little experiment on color, then you can understand a little bit extra about color. Color always we are using in the presentation to make highlight and add depth to every aspect in emphasis. They having different meaning and feelings. We'll actually look about what actually communicate. So when you are making a presentation, never use why we call warm background. Can use cool color as background. At the same time, if you want to make highlight only, can use warm color. That is just actually a message. At the same time, when you are using a color in the presentation, again understand a primary color and secondary. If you don't have some actually knowledge about what's primary color and secondary, go to internet, just browse in the Google, can understand what's the primary and secondary color. Because secondary color is placed in the between primary color, then they will be mixed some colors. They are really hard to make contrast in the coloring. So therefore, it's another advice, never use actually a secondary color in the presentation. Always try to match some primary color to primary color. Different colors are having different meaning, right? This is not actually rule, just sharing some valuable tips and practice. The blue color we are using actually, especially in the corporate. When NIBM we are using blue color, it's main. Red color I'm using to make attention. This excitement, passion, action are coming with that. At the same time, when you go to the presentation, can use red color to emphasize some word, some message. Green color are using for health and environment friendly attitude or the meaning. And the orange color are using just to give a little meaning like happy and friendly message. Just another actually small message just we want to communicate in presentation. Never ever use more than 2 typeface. Maximum you can use 2 typeface, right? So 2 typeface mean 2 font family of types, right? Again, sharing little actually examples, and this is not just the rule actually, but when you want to minimize your actually number of text you are using, you can use this one as a rule. Because if you are using more than 50 words in your presentation, actually follow this rule can reduce those things. One, title, minimum font size, better use 44. Body text 32. Then you can understand how many number of words you can put in using the presentation slide. At the same time, when you are training course your student, never reduce your actually font size before less than actually 28, right? Minimum 28. Otherwise, are really hard to read with student. At the same time, when you actually after you design your presentation, go around and come just after a few minutes and put it to the machine and check is that readable. So you better decide before you actually present it, right? That's actually a simple message. I'm not taking that much of time for that. At the same time, it's a good actually message I'm communicating. Group and separate. Group means pull some material closer together and push other material further apart from that. That means when you actually are taking a main message, if some are related for the main message, group that. If you are having some other message that's not related for the main message, if you are second message, then you can separate from the first message. Sure, we're not actually big time just for discussing this, but more people are interested about data visualization. But remember, data visualization not the mean what you actually get from Excel or any other data analytics packs. Just present that in PowerPoint. You can understand with the example. I just like to share. This is actually the common way we can actually present in chart. Just copy paste from there. So, but when you're actually looking, this one can understand how effective they are managing. Message, good, look the history, but don't repeat it. Learn from the work of others, but do your own work. You can actually go to the internet and look, they're having more actually design, more actually presentation. Try to understand what actually inside, what actually they try to communicate through those presentation and their visual presentation. At the same time, if you like, you can imitate a little bit, but after a few years, you should want to do your own design. So this actually my presentation. I'm actually sharing some valuable tips. At the same time, I'd like to thank for NIBM, especially Director General Dr. Kulasurya, given actually this opportunity to share my valuable tips with you, especially in free of charge. Thanks, and see you the next day on the next session. Thanks.